The Supreme Court just ruled that bump stocks are now legal to use again. Here are a few reasons why the Supreme Court ruling is so important. Bump stocks are an attachment to a rifle or other type of gun that allows people to fire them really rapidly. It can translate to an automatic weapon or a machine gun. These were in the news about 7 years ago in 2017, when a gunman fired over 1,000 rounds into a crowd at a music festival in Las Vegas. Eventually, in 2019, the Trump administration issued a rule. The ATF in the Trump administration, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, issued a rule banning bump stocks. They considered bump stocks to be machine guns. Machine guns have for many years been banned. We have not been allowed to purchase them or possess them. The Supreme Court case that was just issued said that the ATF doesn't have the authority to do that. The majority opinion said, look, machine guns are a very specific thing. Bump stocks are not. Now, there were some justices that disagreed. Justice Sotomayor specifically said, when I see a bird that walks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, I call that bird a duck. So there are two big takeaways from this case. The first is very specific. The bump stock rule is no more. But there's nothing in the opinion that stops Congress from passing a law that bans bump stocks. Congress can do that, and they should do that. The second big takeaway is that the Supreme Court is hostile toward administrative agencies, increasingly hostile. But the court is substituting their opinion and their interpretation for the experts at the ATF and uses that instead of the opinion of the subject matter experts. I think we're going to see increasingly hostile efforts from the court toward agencies, including potentially in an upcoming case dealing with privately made firearms or ghost guns and an ATF rule regulating those. As we move forward from this case, keep an eye out for congressional action to ban bump stocks, and also keep an eye out for potential threats to ATF authority and the court seeking to limit what the ATF can do to regulate guns.